Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in today's episode we're going to be taking a look at Windows Device Recovery Tool Patched. Now if you don't know what Windows Device Recovery Tool is, it is basically the official restore application for Windows Phone 8 devices and onward. So basically this was actually officially released by Microsoft, and it was working up until like late 2024 when the servers got shut down, but thanks to Lumia DB and the efforts of people like Andrew and everybody who contributed to this stuff, we got a patched version which connects the servers to Lumia DB, which right now supports most Lumia phones in their firmwares, and he even added a few extra features. So we're going to be taking a demo of it today by actually opening it up. Now I'm not going to show you guys how to install this, but I will leave a link in the description on the download link, and there may or may not be a tutorial there as well by Andrew. So yeah, we're just going to open it up, and the reason why I'm making this video right now is because if you remember from my last video, I put Windows Phone 8.0 on this and I said, oh, I'm gonna try and jailbreak it. Well, I can't seem to do that, and I've been trying for like the past 6 hours, every possible method, and nothing works. So I just thought, okay, screw it, I'm just gonna go back to stock 8.0, but because of all the garbage I was doing, it wasn't flashing, it was stuck at 0%, and the only thing I could do was reboot it. Now it's stuck in emergency flash mode, which is the same fate as my 640 XL, but unlike the 640 XL, the emergency drivers for this actually work. So we're gonna plug this into our computer. Okay, that happened. Just gonna go ahead and try that again. Okay, I think I got it to connect. Just checking over here. Nothing shows up here yet, but it says installing device. So we're gonna give that a moment, and actually gonna turn off the dark theme, just because there is a bug in this current version, though I think by the time this video comes out, it'll be updated and fixed, where if you use dark mode, the custom ROM selection, well, not like actual custom ROM, like just choosing your FFU selection tool, not tool, window, is gonna not render correctly. So we're gonna keep that there. And yeah, it's kind of weird. Why would a Restore Media app have like accent color and theme? Like, for what purpose? They did not have to add this. Anyways, I'm gonna wait for this to finish installing. Alright, so it's not showing up here, which is concerning because it's supposed to show up as like the device is bricked, but we're gonna go ahead and hope this still works. Gonna select Lumia, and oh dear. Oh, okay. It did something. Device not recognized, huh? Yeah, I bet. Let's try that again. Still doesn't like that. Try hold the power button. See if that gets us anywhere. Was it worth it? Probably not. Like, just to jailbreak 8.0. I mean, there you go. There you go. What do we got? It doesn't show there. It shows here though. You see you got the 1520. So let me zoom in for you guys. Go ahead, click on this. It's gonna go ahead, download the emergency package, and then it'll have to download the FFU for it as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and give a custom flash. Okay, emergency flashing, and operation ended with failure. That is lovely. For what purpose? It does. There you go. It's under this. Now, give me a moment while I figure out how to get out of this mode and go to the regular mode. Alright guys, the video might be saved. Now I did run a command in Thor 2 thinking, okay, I'm gonna have to scrap the video and just manually flash it, but there was an error, except it managed to bring the phone to this. So I don't know what happened and that it didn't like that driver, but we're gonna go ahead and retry using WDRT patches once more. So go ahead and open it up, and since it's on a screen like this, I hope that maybe it will detect it and be able to flash it for us so that the video is saved. Now, you might be thinking, oh, the program didn't work the first time, what's the point? Well, like, obviously this program is not going to be perfect. It's a community thing that's trying to patch a real official app without its source code, so it's impressive we can still even do this. And it did work before, I just didn't make a video about it, but now I am. But again, probably the driver issue, because usually if it's in the other thing with the other driver, it should work. But I don't know what happened with me, just bad timing, I guess. Anyways, boom. It's supposed to show up like this. Now, that, I guess, is also normal. And we got this firmware showing up. Now if you press shift on the keyboard, press and hold shift and click install software, you'll actually get this window coming up. Now this is a custom window, so you can select the firmware you want, but see, it's a 939. I don't like the 939 because that doesn't give you 4G. So I'm gonna go ahead and select the 937 because these are all 1520s, but again, there's a risk. So I know what I'm doing because I already flashed 937 before. But now we're gonna select another thing. Now they give you so many options, and this all comes from Lumia DB once again. So I'm gonna go ahead and press on the yellow 8.0 GDR3, click save. It's gonna load, and we're gonna go ahead and click install software. And we're gonna go ahead and click continue, and this doesn't matter. It's gonna have to download the whole package, then it's gonna flash it on the phone. So we gotta give it time to download the whole thing and let it flash the phone. All right guys, I think it downloaded. Gonna go ahead and click next. Software installation, boom, installing the software, let's go. Boom, operation successfully completed, and now just taking a look at the Lumia, which vibrated. Get the little Nokia, and it's gonna take a little while because first boot for Windows Phone 8.0 does take some time on the Nokia logo. Let's just wait. Boom, operation successfully completed. Go ahead, click finished, and we're done. It should be finished now and boot into the software we installed. Now, isn't it pretty neat that instead of having to go through the whole manual process and stuff, you can just use applications like this, which have been patched by the community and added more features. It is honestly amazing. It's really cool. So yeah, go ahead and download this link in the description if you need to use it. Obviously, you're not going to use it every day, but it's still nice to have, like as a backup, especially with, for example, I had this happen to me, where the phone just bricked itself, but boom, easy recovery mode. So yeah, and if you're wondering what I used as a stand for this, it's my Apple TV 3rd generation. Go ahead, take that out the way. And boom, we got the Windows Phone. It's restored. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up again and enjoy Windows Phone 8.0 stock because I'm done trying to jailbreak this. It's garbage. But yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.